Welcome to the exciting world of web development. Imagine being able to create your own websites, from simple blogs to complex e-commerce platforms. Web development is like building a house. You start with the foundation and build upon it, adding walls, doors, and windows to create a complete structure. Web development is divided into two main parts, front-end and back-end. Front-end development is everything you see and interact with on a website. It's like the interior design of our house, making it visually appealing and user-friendly. This involves using languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the layout, style, and interactive elements of a web page. On the other hand, back-end development is the engine behind the scenes. It handles the server, database, and all the complex logic that makes a website functional. Think of it as the plumbing and electrical systems of our house, ensuring everything runs smoothly behind the walls. As a beginner, you'll primarily focus on front-end development, mastering the tools to build the visual structure and interactivity of websites. However, understanding the basics of back-end development will give you a holistic view of how websites work. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the backbone of any website. It provides the basic structure and content of a web page, much like the framework of a house. Using a series of elements or tags, HTML tells the browser what to display on the page. For instance, the tag indicates a heading, while the tag represents a paragraph. Each element has an opening and closing tag, enclosing the content within. Think of HTML as the blueprint of your website, defining the different sections, headings, paragraphs, and other elements that make up the page. It's the essential foundation upon which you'll build the rest of your website. In the next section, we'll explore CSS, which adds style and visual appeal to the HTML structure. Mastering these two languages will empower you to create visually engaging and well-structured websites. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is the language used to style the HTML elements of a web page. If HTML is the foundation, CSS is the paint, wallpaper, and furniture that transform a house into a home. CSS allows you to control the colors, fonts, layout, and overall appearance of your website. It works by targeting specific HTML elements and applying styles to them. For example, you can change the color of all headings to blue, or set the font size of all paragraphs to 16 pixels. CSS offers immense flexibility and control over the look and feel of your website. You can create visually stunning designs, responsive layouts that adapt to different screen sizes, and even add animations and transitions to make your website more engaging. Section 4. Bringing your website to life with JavaScript. While HTML provides the structure and CSS adds style, JavaScript is the language that brings interactivity and dynamic behavior to your website. It allows you to create interactive elements like image sliders, drop-down menus, and even handle user input. JavaScript is a scripting language that runs in the user's web browser. It can manipulate the HTML and CSS of a web page in real time, creating dynamic and responsive user experiences. For example, you can use JavaScript to validate a form before it's submitted, or to display an alert message when a user clicks a button. JavaScript functions show alert. Alert, hello world. JavaScript is a powerful language that opens up a world of possibilities for web development. It allows you to create web applications, games, and other interactive experiences that go beyond static web pages. Section 5. Your web development journey begins now. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of web development. This journey is both challenging and rewarding, allowing you to unleash your creativity and build amazing things for the web. Remember, the key to success is consistent learning and practice. Start by experimenting with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are countless online resources, tutorials, and courses available to guide you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, that's how you learn and grow. As you become more comfortable with the basics, explore different frameworks and libraries that can simplify web development. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js provide pre-built components and tools to streamline the development process. Web development is an ever-evolving field with endless possibilities. Embrace the challenge, never stop learning, and enjoy the journey of creating something amazing on the web.